The quietest dishwasher you can buy is the Miele 37 decibels for $4,000. It's a great dishwasher, but if you're buying for quietness, you don't need to spend nearly that much. Today you'll learn what the standard for quietness is, where the diminishing returns kick in, and the dishwashers worth considering in 2026 for quietness, and how you wash your dishes. First, quiet is measured in decibels. Lower is quieter. However, under 44 decibels is the threshold. That's the point where in a normal open kitchen, you stop noticing the dishwasher's running. Between 37 and 42 decibels, you're in vibrate territory. You can have a dinner party and no one knows it's on. Above 45 decibels, you'll hear it. Not deafening, just there. I'm a 42 decibel Miele at home, not the $4,000 one. I open it mid-cycle all the time because I can't hear it when it's running. 42 decibels is already quieter than you can detect in a normal kitchen. Dropping from something you can't hear to something quieter is just marketing. So shop for 44 decibels or a little better. Past that, you're chasing a number your ears can't hear. So don't just buy for quiet, buy a great dishwasher that can wash, dry, and rack, but also happens to be quiet. Now let's look at quiet dishwashers. Most quiet dishwashers use a filter every few weeks. You gotta pull it out, scrub it, put it back. GE Profile uses a grinder. Run it and forget it. 42 decibels are well under the threshold. You also get targeted jets for bottles and silverware, which hit spots some dishwashers miss, and antimicrobial protection on the racks and handles, which is nice during cold and flu season. You might expect me to recommend the top Bosch, the benchmark at 38 decibels. I'm not. The 800 series is the same crystal dry as the benchmark, with zeolite, which is a mineral that generates heat as it absorbs moisture. All dishwashers don't dry plastic well. Bosch does. The 800 series runs at 42 decibels under the threshold. Same quiet you can hear anyway. The benchmark adds a water softener and better racks. If you don't need those, the 800 series is $500 less. Cove is Sub-Zero's dishwasher brand built in the US. You buy this for the racks, which are the most solid in the category. More adjustable than even Miele. And at 41 decibels, it's quiet enough you won't notice. You don't need to spend $4,000 to get a Miele. The less expensive Miele is still expensive, but here's what you get. Their auto-dose dispenser automatically dispenses detergent based on how dirty your dishes are, rather than a pod that just releases everything at once. One cartridge lasts up to 30 washes. You load it, forget it, and clients report the cleanest dishes with the auto-dose system. And the drying is excellent. A close second to Bosch. Air comes in at the bottom of the dishwasher. The hot steam condenses into water and drains with the cooler air. At the end of the cycle, the door pops open and releases the rest of the moisture. Your dishes come out dry, including plastics. The racks aren't quite as good as Cove, but they handle everything, including metal straws. My daughter uses them every day. Another brand has a dedicated spot for them or other awkward items. Now for something completely different. Fish Paykel is a lure for me now that I'm firmly in middle age. I don't have one, but the appeal is real. You don't have to bend to load it. If you run small loads every day, this is ideal. Don't wait for a full dishwasher. Run one draw now, save the other for later. And then there's the cool factor. It's different. 44 decibels right at the threshold. Quiet enough for an open kitchen. Here's the truth. There are a lot of good dishwashers 44 decibels. You don't need to spend $4,000 to get one. Shop for 44. Buy the whole package. Wash, dry, rack, cycles, in addition to quietness. And if your dishwasher died, call us. We can service and install everything we sell. Our free dishwasher buying guide is linked in the description, built from 33,000 service calls just last year. So thanks for watching.